Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnail using Kapwing. First open any of the web browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here what you can do is you need to go to this start, you need to create new over here. And once you select this you can go to this upload media in the left hand side and select to this click to upload here. And over here you can choose a background, upload your own image or the video frame. Over here what you can do is double press it and put it onto this editing timeline as well. And you can adjust the background to fill the canvas properly. You can add the text in the left hand side here. Select to this text, you can drag or drop the add styles. Over here you can select to the style here as well. And you can simply add text in the top and simply type down the text that you want to put. You can add the images over here as well. Go to this media and you can simply add another image, and you can adjust the layout here as well. And you can also apply the subtitles here. You can choose or upload the video with speech to get started. And after you're done with the editing, you can simply export in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can create YouTube thumbnail using Kapwing. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.